Hello guys, my name is Rizki Taufik Rahman. This video is made for my exercise, my class in TIS2. In this video, I would like to explain how to using GFX tool for buying Pubg Mobile. Okay, next. The objective of this video is showing to you how to reduce lag while playing Pubg Mobile. Step 1. Download and install GFX tool. It's available on Play Store. Click Play Store and search Pubg GFX tool. Okay. And install. Step 2. Close Pubg Mobile if it's currently running before starting GFX tool. Open GFX tool. Step 3. Close GP on the select version. Step 4. Choose so smooth on the graphic 16 fps for fps. And tap on the accept button and run the game. Okay, close out. Waiting, starting Pubg Mobile. Okay, loading. Before you try it on the real game, you can go to the training mode and you will see the result. Okay, run game. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.